two distinct real roots. Distinct means there should be two separate real roots. Means what? See, these are the roots of a quadratic equation. X equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this is known as a discriminant, and this discriminant or determinant, any word can be used. Now if this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then it will have two separate roots which are real. Okay, if it is equals to 0, then roots would be real, but there will be only one root, means both root 1 and root 2 will be equal. Okay, and if determinant is less than 0, then there will be complex roots. Complex means imaginary, we call it, where I is used, that is outside a scope. So if we want distinct real roots, then b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0, not even equal to 0, it should be greater than 0. So let's try. First equation is 2x square minus 3 root 2x plus 9 by 4 equals to 0. A is 2, b is minus 3 by 2, c is 9 by 4. Therefore b square minus 4ac is what? 9 into b square, 3 root 2 square. So 9 into 2, 18 it will be. 9 into 2 minus 4 into a is what? 2 into c is what? 9 by 4. So solve this, you will get 18 minus 18, 0. So 0 means what? Roots are real but equal, they are not distinct. So it does not have distinct real roots. Next equation, x square plus x minus 5 equals to 0. Here b equals to 1, a equals to 1, c equals to minus 5. b square minus 4ac is 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. So 1 minus 1 plus 20, that is 21. 21 is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and equal and unequal. Unequal means. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.